Well, this is a nice bike that just came in. This is a 72 Triumph 650, 5-speed, and a nice looking bike. The gentleman's had it for like 30 some odd years. I think he's the second owner, which is really cool. It's a beautiful shape, all original. I'm going to put a new clutch in it because that's slipping, and a electronic ignition system. I am going to use the new Micro Mini Wassel vape system. I like those a lot. Like Boyers, like Pazons too, but I'm currently stocking these because they're really nice. And I'm going to put a Podronics rectifier regulator on it to replace the old rectifier and Zener diode. And then basically go through the bike and do a tune. He says it won't start right now. He's having trouble getting it started. That's we'll see if the ignition system solves that problem. Fresh plugs, kick it over, check the oil, taka, all that stuff, and see if we can't get it running smoothly again. So anyway, this one's in the shop now. The red BSA is on the lift, and I think it's finished. And do a test ride on that tomorrow. And then the black Norton is sitting here with the new side stand. It's finished. And the red BSA, I think, is going to go home to its owner for the top end to come off. And on this Norton, we're waiting for parts. So that's the status of the shop. And there sits my bike. I lifted the cover off to show, gentlemen. And so there's my bike. And in case you haven't seen my other bike, let's see, I'll just put this aside. This is my 74 Norton Commando Interfast, or Fastener, or Interfast, or it's a fastback interstate. It was a roadster originally, so now it's called a Interback. And this is my little Triumph. This is a 68 Triumph that I bought in a basket. It was a mess. I punched it out to 600 cc's, put megacycle cams in it, 2 carbs to replace the one. And it's a cute little Sunday morning go to breakfast bike. And that's just sitting here. So those are my 2 bikes. I sort of have this thing about red and gold. So that's where we are. Shop is looking good. Outside is looking better. It was cold last night. It was in the 40s. And I'm sorry, but for us here, that is really cold. Hope it's going to warm up in the next day or so. My lady friend's RV, she's visiting. And my RV is behind the fence in front of hers. And that's where we are. The shop status is pretty stable right now. And looking good. So that's shop status this week.